Man, I can never get this locker open.
Hey, buddy, you need some help getting the locker open?
Yeah, I do.
Well, good news because I have the Sonic screwdriver.
What's that?
It's a screwdriver, and it's sonic. It can open any lock. Okay. Try it now.
Wow, thanks, man. That's amazing. Now I can get into my locker whenever I want.
Right. And there are other benefits to the Sonic screwdriver as well.
What could those be?
I'm going to show you. The Sonic screwdriver can also disrupt electrical devices. Yeah. However, it does not work on wood. Now let's talk to one of our satisfied customers. What's your name?
The doctor.
Doctor who?
Just the doctor.
Okay. You've bought multiple Sonic screwdrivers from me, correct?
Yes.
Do you like them?
Of course.
What do you use them for?
Oh, unlock things and scramble electrical devices and to stop Daleks and Cybermen.
Okay, would you buy this one?
Of course! In fact, I'll buy it right now.
Sonic screwdriver. So, you've seen all the benefits of owning a Sonic screwdriver. So why go another day without owning a Sonic screwdriver when you could own a Sonic screwdriver? Buy one today.